Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable navigation bar on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, enabling the navigation bar provides essential navigation controls on the screen, allowing users to easily navigate through the device interface, switch between apps, access menus, and perform various actions using the on-screen buttons. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin the customization process, access the Settings menu on your device. Within the settings, navigate to the Display option. Scroll through the display settings until you find the navigation bar menu. Okay, tap on the navigation bar menu to access the navigation bar customization options. And within the settings, enable the first option available to activate a navigation bar. Okay, so by activating this option, you have customized the navigation bar on your device to enhance navigation efficiency and tailor the user interface to your preferences. And also, this customization allows you to optimize the navigation experience on your device according to your desired layout and functionality. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable navigation bar on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.